Is AI quietly replacing certain jobs? The answer is not as simple as people think. AI is not wiping out every job overnight, but it is changing the tasks inside millions of jobs. And for some workers, especially entry-level workers, routine office workers, and people doing repetitive tasks, the change is already here. Think about it. A task that used to take one employee 3 hours can now be done in minutes with AI. Reports, emails, data entry, basic customer service, legal document review, scheduling, research, even parts of coding and financial analysis. That does not always mean the worker is fired immediately, but it does mean companies may stop hiring as many people for those roles. They may not replace workers who leave. They may combine 2 jobs into one, or they may expect one employee to do much more with the help of AI. That is the quiet part. The job may still exist, but the number of people needed to do it may shrink. Recent research shows that jobs built around structured, repetitive tasks are already seeing less demand. At the same time, jobs that require creativity, judgment, analysis, leadership, and problem-solving are becoming more valuable. So AI is not just taking jobs, it is separating workers into 2 groups: those who know how to use AI, and those whose tasks can be replaced by AI. And that is where the real financial danger begins. For younger workers and new graduates, AI may make it harder to get that first job. Entry-level roles often include the exact tasks AI is best at doing: drafting, summarizing, researching, organizing data, answering basic questions. These used to be the training ground for a career. Now companies are asking, why hire a beginner when software can do the basic work faster? That means the career ladder could become harder to climb. And for workers over 50, the risk is different. You may have experience. You may have judgment. You may know how to handle people, pressure, clients, and real-life problems. Those skills matter. But if your job also includes repetitive computer work, paperwork, reports, claims, spreadsheets, or routine administrative tasks, AI may change what your employer expects from you. The danger is not always losing your job tomorrow. The danger is slowly becoming outdated, because employers are starting to reward workers who can use AI to move faster, and workers who refuse to learn it may quietly fall behind. But here is the good news. The research does not show mass unemployment from AI so far. In many companies, AI is being used to shift tasks, improve productivity, and redeploy workers instead of immediately firing them. Some companies are using AI to remove boring work. Some are using it to help employees make better decisions. Some are using it to grow faster. But not every worker benefits equally. Higher-skilled workers often see better pay and more opportunities when they use AI. Routine workers may face slower hiring, fewer openings, and more pressure. That means the smartest move is not to panic. The smartest move is to prepare. If you're working now, start learning the AI tools connected to your field. You do not have to become a tech expert, but you do need to understand how these tools work. Learn how to use AI to write better emails, summarize documents, research faster, organize information, create reports, analyze data, improve your resume, prepare for interviews, build side income, or save time in your current job. The goal is not to compete against AI. The goal is to become the person who knows how to work with it, because the future workplace may not be divided between humans and machines. It may be divided between people who use AI and people who are replaced by people who use AI. And if you are over 50, this is not the time to feel intimidated. Your experience still matters. Your judgment still matters. Your communication skills still matter. Your ability to deal with real people still matters. AI can produce information, but it does not understand life the way you do. It does not have wisdom. It does not have empathy. It does not know how to handle a difficult client, a worried customer, a family crisis, or a complicated human situation. Those are your strengths. But you must combine those strengths with new skills. Because the safest worker in the AI economy is not the youngest worker. It is not always the most technical worker. It is the adaptable worker, the one who keeps learning, the one who understands change is coming and refuses to be left behind. So what jobs are most exposed? Routine administrative work, basic data entry, customer service scripts, simple bookkeeping, basic content writing, entry-level research, some finance and insurance tasks, some legal document review, some HR screening tasks, and repetitive office work that follows the same pattern every day. What jobs are more protected? Jobs that require judgment, caregiving, skilled trades, leadership, strategy, sales relationships, complex legal work, healthcare decisions, teaching with emotional intelligence, creative problem solving, and work that depends on trust, communication, and human connection. But even protected jobs will still change. That is why everyone needs an AI survival plan. Here are 3 smart money moves to make now. First, learn one AI tool this month. Start simple. Use it to summarize an article, draft a professional email, create a budget, or organize your weekly tasks. Second, protect your income. Do not rely on one paycheck if you can avoid it. Build a side skill, a side hustle, or a backup plan. That could be online notary work, digital products, freelance services, tutoring, consulting, or remote part-time work. Third, update your skills before you are forced to. Do not wait until your job changes. Do not wait until your company announces layoffs. Do not wait until younger workers are using tools you have never touched. Start now. Because AI may not take your job directly. But someone using AI may become faster, cheaper, and more valuable to your employer. And that is the shift everyone needs to understand. The future is not about fear. It is about preparation. AI is changing work. But you still have power. You can learn. You can adjust. You can protect your income. You can build new skills. And you can make smart money moves before the workplace changes without you. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Smart Money Moves for more honest conversations about money, work, retirement, and financial survival in a changing world. Because the people who prepare early usually have the best chance of staying ahead.